have a Samsung Galaxy S23 with an installed theme, and I'll be showing you how to revert back to the default theme on this phone. So I hope you can follow along with this new theme. So what you need to do is look for settings. Okay, so go to settings. This opens the main settings page on your phone. Scroll down to themes, tap on that, and that opens the Galaxy themes page. Now when you're here, of course you're signed into your Samsung account. At the bottom, tap on menu. Okay, and once you tap on menu, go to my stuff, tap on that, and you can see all the themes you installed here, of course with themes selected at the top here. So if you select wallpapers, for instance, you'll not be able to see your themes. So make sure themes is selected and you can see all the themes, but the first theme is always the default theme. Okay, so tap on the default theme and then select apply, and that will take you back to your default theme, as you can see. Now once you do that, if you want to, you can go ahead and delete that theme you had installed. So you can go back to settings, you can go back to themes, that opens the Galaxy themes, go back to the menu, go back to my stuff, and you can touch and hold that theme and select delete. Okay, and that theme is going to be deleted just like that. And that's basically how to delete, or basically how to revert back to the default theme of your Samsung Galaxy S23 in case you had changed. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.